So I'm familiarizing myself with a Porsche Taycan Turbo S. And right at the center, the green, or actually blue line that is increasing now is, I assume, when you give gas, and on the other hand is when the car is braking. Automatic cruise control is enabled now. And I mean, it's pleasant. Somewhat more road noise and harsher than, like, say, a Audi A8, of course, but this is a sports sedan with very wide tires, so that's not a big surprise. And no combustion engine sound. That's a new. I have not yet learned what these symbols are. The same on both sides. No idea what it is. I really like the passenger display, that you can be able to play with that as well as a passenger. I really feel a difference how modern the automatic cruise control is compared to one that is older. It's very alert, this cruise control. Typical Swedish highway that switches from 2 to 1 lane. Instead of having lanes where you meet the car, here it's impossible to do a head-on collision. And you could switch the view. Sorry. Okay, now night vision. Yes, there we have night vision. Nice view, reduced. It's kind of like the Saab's old night vision or pilot view, or what they had when they only have the only relevant things. I like that arrow. That was a really clear indication for the navigation where to arrive. off the air conditioning to increase the range. But driving very moderately with air conditioning off, it seems like the usable range, and then I'm talking legal speed driving, like 110 kilometers per hour, it's 300 kilometers. But apparently there is a fast charger that charges in like half an hour where we arrive, so I'm gonna try that and see if I can fuel up. I was about to say if I can charge really fast. So, next clip is a charging station.